Hey, so I wanted to give you an update on my programming journey, and it's been a big milestone. I'm basically done. So I set out to rebuild the app that I had built for me before, but to do it fully myself so that I could have control over the tools and eventually, instead of paying people even just to try features, I could try anything I wanted myself. I could build anything I wanted myself, and it wasn't just a question of money. About even, for example, prototyping a new feature could cost $5,000. So that's, you kind of err on the side of certainty and you don't kind of play as much. So over the last 14 months, I've been teaching myself programming and basically have an app here that is exactly like has all the features of the previous one, and more, and is rebuilt in the newest frameworks that Apple offers. And man, it was a journey. So you can see here, got the people list. You can tap into a person, see different reminders here, or a different type of reminder here. Nice little animations all over the place. You can add details. All of these have their own sheets, so you can add all kinds of information into it. Of course, reminders, there's a nice way that they're organized, so you can put all that stuff in, see when they're coming up. Notes, of course, all your groups of different people, and then check-ins, which is a new feature as well. So through this process, I had to learn not just a lot of iOS programming, like data and interface, but was learning how to make a whole new camera app to take photos, because iOS doesn't let you use the camera app. You basically have to build a camera app for your camera app, which is why all camera interfaces on your phone look completely different from app to app. Learned how to program cloud functions in Node.js and TypeScript, which is a completely different language I didn't plan on learning. In-app purchasing, authentication, remote configurations, so that I can add little notes like this into the app without having to upload new versions that people have to update. I can just update these anytime. So that's pretty cool. And the whole thing has been just way more work than I ever thought. Actually, I was bringing up my you can see the number of hours. I've been tracking hours, so 1,555. That's from the first day I started watching my first YouTube video all the way down to today, 1,555. So I'll share more about this and my plans for it in other videos. Maybe I'll share what I learned along the way. And this is just the beginning, the first step of this kind of new chapter in this long-term project of mine that is this app. And finally, just wanted to say thanks to everybody who was cheering me on, all the handful of friends that were reading my code and putting up with my stupid questions. It was super valuable, and it was a huge part of me being able to finish it. So thanks to everybody, and yeah, pretty big deal. Anyway, talk to you later.